Welcome back, everyone, to the best family show ever. And this is Ella and Ella's mommy Ann. And we're going to play KIDDOPIA. And we're going to continue with our Lingo Land education.
Lingo Land.
And what we're doing today is we're going to learn
Phonics.
about phonics.
No, mommy, I want this.
Choose the letter which makes this sound. Wah.
Whoa.
Keep it up.
Good job.
Fantastic.
Whoa. Good job. Okay. What is it?
Mm. Yeah. Sorry,
Good
that's
job.
not right. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah. That doesn't seem right.
I wasn't gonna press that, and then my hand shaked.
Well done.
Zzz.
Correct
Wow.
answer.
I know C is
Good job.
Good job.
C.
X.
Hmm?
This is not
This
correct.
one looks right.
Wah. Sorry,
No,
that's
no,
not
no.
right. The correct answer is
Okay.
Yeah, my hand really big.
wonderful.
Good job, T.
I wiggled and
Wah.
now my hand pressed it like that.
Congratulations.
Wow. Okay,
I-
sit still, sit still.
I just did it so fast.
Okay.
Uh. Great work.
Then
Good job.
Then we did the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
So you did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You turn. Okay, now you didn't hear that. Nothing.
Okay. I can't hear anything though.
You are brilliant.
Good
I
job.
just did that one away.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can hear it.
Awesome.
Yes. So good.
Zzz.
Okay. What? Zzz.
Keep it up.
Ooh, expert coming your way. What is it?
Fantastic.
Good job. See, let's see. Wow, you only got 6 wrong this time and you got 13 correct. You're doing way better.
Beep.
Choose the letter which makes this sound. Eh. Eh.
Eh.
Very good.
You're
Good.
making me do it.
Huh.
Okay. Huh.
Well done.
Well done. Go. Ella, listen.
Sorry, that's not right. Correct answer.
Good job.
G.
This one did.
Eh.
Oh, no.
Good job. Eh.
Oh,
This is not correct. Wonderful.
wonderful.
B.
B. Ah.
You
Sorry,
said
that's
B.
not right.
That's not B. That's not B.
Congratulations. Eh. Great
Oh,
work.
so good. So good.
Ah.
Okay.
Ah. That doesn't seem right. You are
Good job.
brilliant. D.
Duh, duh, duh. Duh. Duh.
This is not correct.
Duh.
Awesome.
Good job. Good. Huh.
Eh.
No.
This is not correct. Keep it up.
Good job. Hey, don't just click everything. Cat. Oh.
Sorry, that's not right. Fantastic.
Good job. You're getting it. You're getting it. Don't worry. You have to learn and learn and learn.
That doesn't seem right. Very good.
I was thinking about it was in the bus.
No.
This is not correct. Well done. Correct answer.
Good job. You did
I already
it.
know that. I thought it was that one that it didn't.
Well, hey, press it again. You didn't hear it.
Ah.
Ah. Ah. Ah. Ah.
This is not correct. Good job.
Eh.
Congratulations.
Good job. See? You just have to think about it.
Ha. 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 Great
Good
work.
job. See, you're getting it. Whenever we get close to the end, that's when you get it. Mm-hmm.
Look how many I got.
Yeah, you got a lot of correct answers.
Choose the letter
Okay.
which makes this sound. L. L. You are brilliant. R.
Remember?
Awesome.
Yes, you're getting it. You just have to practice
Qua.
and practice and practice. Qua.
Qua. Keep it up.
Whoa, 3 right in a row.
I was doing this.
Ah. Ah. Fantastic.
4 right in a
I
row.
really just heard that.
Yeah.
N.
Oh.
That doesn't seem right. Very good.
Good job.
L. L. Good
Oh, good job.
R.
Qua. Oh.
That doesn't seem right. Wonderful.
Good job.
Why is it?
It's okay if you get it wrong. You get it right afterwards.
Qua.
Qua.
This is not
Qua.
correct.
Good
Congratulations.
job.
You
That's
were
second.
I just saw you
Ah.
just doing. I saw you doing this.
Ah. Great work.
Oh, you know your O sound. Shh.
You
Yeah,
are
good
brilliant.
I
job.
saw you doing this.
Mmm.
You're doing
Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm. Sorry, that's not right. No.
Remember I told you
That
that's
doesn't
like a
seem
mountain.
right. The correct answer is
Yeah.
It has 2 bumps.
J. J.
J. Good
Awesome.
job.
I just like thinking
No.
that is that one.
N.
No.
Keep it up.
I saw
Oh,
you. I saw you.
good.
You were doing this. You're doing that to me here.
K.
Fantastic.
Good job. That's awesome. You got 15 correct
Hey.
and 10 wrong. That's okay.
Oh my god, I
That's how
got
you
so
learn.
much.
S. S.
Oh, you know this one.
S.
look at it.
That doesn't seem right. Well done.
Well done.
Look at my.
Correct answer.
I was on here to notice this.
Good
Oh,
job.
so good.
But I'm wearing the headphones.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is not correct. Sorry.
I pressed that accidentally because I'm in
The
my
correct
boat because
answer
I
is-
moved.
Z.
I will wait this for now.
Okay. Zzz.
Z. Wonderful.
Good job.
Wah.
Whoa.
Congratulations.
Wow. Good job.
I'm good at this mode.
Yeah. Oh.
Z.
Whoa.
That doesn't seem right. Great work.
Good job. You got it right the second time. Good job.
Hey. Want me to come my room now? I know.
S. S. S.
Do you hear it?
You are
Good
brilliant.
job.
Mommy, you made me hop like this. I mean, you made you when I was trying to press this, you went like that.
Awesome.
Good job. Awesome. You're getting more right now.
Keep it up.
Wow.
Yeah. This is not correct. Wah. Sorry,
Wah.
that's not right. The correct answer is yeah. Yeah.
You just heard it. You just heard it. No, it was the last one.
Fantastic.
Good job. See? Listen to the sound.
I'm hot.
Zzz. Here, I'll hold it like this. Zzz.
Zzz. Very
Good
good.
job. You know that sound real good.
Wah.
Wah. Oh, you
That
almost got
doesn't
it
seem
right.
Well done.
Good job.
X. Correct
Good
answer.
job. Wow, you're getting so many right now.
Good job.
Let's see how many you got right. Whoa! 50 right! And only 9 wrong. That's so good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our episode where Ella learns her sound. Practice makes perfect, and Ella's gonna practice a lot more, just like you are gonna practice, right? But this is family learning fun, guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Bye!